Hey guys, Albert here at the Crazy Badger. Today I'm going to be turning two pens. Had a customer come in and kind of look at some of the pen kits that I had on hand and some blanks that I had on hand. The ones that I'll be turning today are two slimline pens. They're very simple to turn. He also looked at some blanks that I had, and I had one that was already, I bought it from Penn State, and it was already, it's a polyester resin red. I forgot what they actually call it, but it's actually a pretty red. Later on, as I progressed in pen turning and other stuff, I started pouring my own colors, and I had a little bit of this blue left over, and it's blue pearl, silver, and whites. So the other pen will be done with these blanks. If you have any questions or you're ever interested in pen turning, I'm very happy to share whatever knowledge that I have in pen turning. I'm no professional by any means, but I'm happy to share that information with you. If you have any questions, you can contact me on our Facebook page or on our Instagram page under the Crazy Badger LLC, or you can visit us at our webpage at www.thecrazybadgerllc.com. You can leave me a message there. Also, that's linked to our product page on Etsy, so you can look what we have on hand. Also, before I get started, soon I will have a couple new pieces of merchandise that will be coming out soon with our logo. So look for that video, because I'll be introducing those items, and they'll be custom order only. So it'll take a couple weeks for you to get it, but it'll be custom ordered because they come in different colors and whatnot. So look out for that video. Also, Facebook, if you do get into pen turning or any other type of turning, there's a lot of awesome groups out there on Facebook. Like if you get into brush making or bowls and stuff like that, there's a lot of wet shaving forums out there on Facebook that you can join. There's a bunch of people, members that are just amazing and talented. They all do different types of turning, and they all share their projects and post their pictures, and a lot of them share their knowledge and help you out. And it's just a fantastic bunch of fantastic groups. Like if you get into wet shaving or turning brushes, there is brush makers on Facebook, and there's artisans all over the world that turn brushes, and man, they're awesome. Okay. Also, if you want to see like different types of projects, there's a group on Facebook called Burls, Blanks, and More. Okay, Burls, Blanks, and More, and there's a lot of people on there that actually cast their own blanks and sell them as they're like vendors. They sell the blanks that they're poured. They're custom poured. If you don't want to get into the pouring part of it, you can get them from them. And I mean, they pour some gorgeous blanks. And also, you get to see some projects there that people turn, you know, whether it be pens or whatnot, bowls, but they always post their projects. So don't forget to check them out as well. So if we're ready, we'll get started. This video won't be very long. I'm going to edit parts of the process, so it's not an extremely long video, just kind of touching on each a part of the process that I do. So here we go.